is Dope, and today we're going to do 3 house dance variations. Now I'm going to teach you a heel toe variation, I'm going to teach you a skate, and I'm going to teach you a shuffle variation. So these are 3 fresh moves that you can add to your house dance moves arsenal, yeah? So let's get straight into this one. So the first one we're going to do is a heel toe variation. So it looks like this. Yeah, now our usual heel toes, we're hitting in front like this, whereas this one, we're coming behind. Yeah, so this one's down. So what you're going to do to start with this one, starting at our left foot, you're going to heel on your left foot. Now remember, as always, hit them jacks when you're doing your house. Keep that bouncing, yeah? So you're going to heel with left foot, bring that left foot back onto a toe, then you're going to tap that foot to the side of your other foot. So you want to tap down on the side of your foot. If you can hit a heel here, then hit a heel. If not, tap the side of that foot down, and then tap the toe at the back, yeah? So we go heel on left foot, toe, left foot, and tap it to the side, then back on the toe. So if I go that to the side, left foot is heel, toe, tap, toe. Then on the other side, right foot is going heel, toe, tap, toe. Now your jacks, you want to come forwards on the heel, bring it back on the toe, come forwards on the tap, bring it back on the toe. Then we go to the other side, right foot, forwards on the heel, back on the toe, forwards on the tap, back on the toe. So if I show you right foot to the side, right foot is going heel, toe, tap, toe. Yeah, so both sides, starting with left foot, then into right. We go heel, toe, tap, toe. Then what you're going to do from here is you're going to do a little hop when you switch, just to make it easier. So you're going to hop on that left foot, as right foot hits that heel, and toe, tap, toe. Then again, you're going to hop here on right foot, as your left foot comes out into heel, toe, tap, toe. So heel, toe, tap, toe. Heel, toe, tap, toe. Heel, toe, tap, toe. Heel, toe, tap, toe. There we go. Now, so make sure you stick around to the end, because we're going to do all 3 of these variations with the music at the end, yeah? Now, the next one we're going to do is a skate. This is a nice little skate variation. We're going to do it as 3. So it looks like this. Yeah, so it's a cool little skate you can add into your combo. So what you're going to do is you're going to hop on your right foot, as left foot comes in front like this. Now you want to tilt yourself from the diagonal. Now this foot is going to slide out this way from the side. Now you're going to switch to the other side. So you're going to hop that left foot in behind your right. And right is going to come across to here. And you're going to bring this round. You want to switch to the other diagonal here. So when it's right foot coming across, you want to face out to the right. The right foot's going to come behind. As you drag that left foot. And after that third one, hop it out. You can go 4 in a row, you can go more, but we'll go 1, 2, 3, hop, just for when we hit it with the beat, yeah? So again, you're hopping on right foot, left foot is gonna come here. So you wanna bring that left foot in front, bring it out. And you'll hop on that left foot, right foot comes across, skate it out. Then hop on that right foot, left foot comes across, skate it out, and then jump it out. So your timing with this one, we'll go 1, 2, 3, out. Yeah? So again, nice and slow. 1, 2, 3, out. Boom, let's just skate. Okay, the last one is a shuffle variation. So the shuffle looks like this. So it's a nice bouncy, cool little shuffle, yeah? So what you're gonna do with this one is you're gonna kick left foot out to the side, we'll do it with no jumps first. Then you're gonna kick right foot back. Then you're gonna hop onto that right foot as the left foot comes up. Goes across your knee, and you want to tilt that out to the diagonal. So one more that side, kick left foot out, kick right foot back, hop on that right foot, left foot comes up to your knee, tilt it out. Then the other side, you're going to kick right foot out to the side, kick left foot back, and you're going to hop onto that left foot as right foot comes up to your knee, and tilt it out to the diagonal. So one more, kick right foot out, kick left foot back, hop onto that left foot as right foot comes up to your knee, tilt it out. Now I'll add them hops in and go both sides. So you're going to kick left foot, kick right foot back, hop onto that right foot comes up to your knee. From here, you're going to hop onto that left foot as right foot kicks out to the side. And you're going to kick that left foot back as you hop onto right foot. And then from here, you're going to hop back onto that left foot as right foot comes up to your knee. So your timing, and then obviously from there, you're going to kick left out, kick right back, foot up. So it goes 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Kick left, kick right, hop onto it. Kick right, kick left, hop onto it. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Make sure you tilt out to that diagonal, yeah? So So just do a quick recap of them moves. So the heel toe variation was heel, toe, behind, toe, heel, toe, behind, toe. The skate was hop, skate, 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 out. And the shuffle was kick, kick, in, kick, kick, in. Okay, nice. If you're struggling with any of them, rewind them back, clean them up real quick. But apart from that, let's go with the beat. Okay, so how we're going to run this one with the beat is with the heel toes, we'll go 4 slow, 8 quick. With the skates, we'll go 2 slow, 4 quick, with a little break in between, so I don't fly through this back wall. And with the shuffles, we'll go 4 slow, 8 quick. So starting with the heels, on my count slow, 5, 6, 7, 8. Send your videos to dancesdopetutorials@gmail.com. I will feature some of you guys if you're looking fresh. We'll definitely get you on the channel. Also, I'm definitely going to set up a Patreon soon. It'll have different tiers to it at first. I'm just going to set it at like $1. If you guys just want to support the channel, just throw like $1, $2 a month, whatever you want to throw out, that is absolutely fine. I do put all these tutorials up for free just because I enjoy posting them up, helping people learn the dance here, but anything at all would be perfect. If you did enjoy today's video, be sure to hit that like button, smash the subscribe button to join the Dances Dope family, hit that bell notification button so you can keep up to date with all the uploads. And if you guys want to chat, if there's anything that you enjoyed, leave a comment down below. I do get back to you all. I do appreciate you all. Check out all the links in the description for all the move tutorials, routine tutorials, and all that good stuff. Apart from that, catch you in the next one.